Studying in 2025 is nothing like it used to be. With AI Chrome extensions, you can write faster, study smarter, and even summarize entire textbooks in seconds, all from your browser. In this video, I'm sharing the top AI Chrome extensions every student should be using in 2025. These tools will help you save time, boost your grades, and reduce stress. No coding, no cost, just results. Let's get into it. First up is Wiseone, an AI reading assistant that completely changes how you digest information. When you're reading an article or study online, it automatically highlights key terms and offers definitions, deeper context, and even alternative explanations. It can simplify complex topics like economics, medicine, or philosophy, so you can actually understand what you're reading instead of copying and pasting it into Google. It's perfect for research papers, heavy reading assignments, and self-study. ChatGPT Sidebar gives you access to ChatGPT on any website without opening a new tab. Reading an article? Highlight a paragraph and ask it to explain. Stuck on a problem? Get step-by-step help without leaving the page. It can even translate text, generate summaries, or help you outline essays, all while you browse. It's like having a tutor in the corner of your screen 24/7. Ever found a 90-minute lecture or tutorial video and wished you could get the main points in 5? That's exactly what YouTubeDigest does. It uses AI to summarize YouTube videos into short, digestible summaries, with options for bullet points, full paragraph breakdowns, or quick TLDRs. It's perfect for students who use YouTube to study, but don't want to waste time watching full videos. Perplexity AI is like Google, if Google could think. Instead of giving you a list of websites, it gives you direct AI-generated answers with sources, links, and citations. It's perfect for writing essays, doing academic research, or learning new concepts without getting lost in dozens of tabs. You can also ask follow-up questions and get more refined answers instantly. If you write a lot, essays, assignments, emails to professors, Compose AI will change your life. It auto-completes sentences, suggests content as you type, and even rewrites full paragraphs for better clarity or tone. It integrates with Google Docs, Gmail, and most online writing platforms. It's like Grammarly, but with AI superpowers. Last but not least, Glasp is a simple but powerful AI extension that lets you highlight, save, and summarize content from any article or web page. You can organize your highlights, revisit them later, and even let the AI generate summaries based on your saved content. It's perfect for long-form articles, research projects, or when you're studying for finals and need to keep everything in one place. These AI Chrome extensions aren't just cool, they're game changers for students in 2025. Whether you're writing papers, studying for exams, or trying to organize your research, these tools make studying smarter, faster, and way less stressful. Which tool are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this helpful, give it a like, subscribe to AI Pioneer, and hit the bell for more videos on AI tools, productivity hacks, and future tech. Thanks for watching. Now go ace that next assignment.